Hi guys, today let's discuss the LeetCode question 122, best time to buy and sell stock 2. You are given an integer array prices where price of I is the prices of the given stock on the ith day. On each day, you may decide to buy and or sell the stock. You can only hold at most one share of the stock at any time. However, you can buy it, then immediately sell it on the same day. Find and return the maximum profit you can achieve. So for this entire prices array, we are going to do multiple transaction and we are going to return the maximum profit that can be achieved. So what does like doing multiple transaction and earning the maximum profit mean? So if you look at the example one, so the prices is prices of the stock is 715364 on subsequent days. So if you are buying the stock on day 2 and selling it on day 3, then you are going to earn a profit of 4. Then you are bound to store this profit, and then you are again going to purchase the stock on day 4 and you are going to sell the stock on day 6. Then you are going to achieve a profit of 4 plus 3, that is 7. So let's go to the example 2. So in the example 2, you are given the prices array as 1 2 3 4 5. So the best thing that you can do is to do a single transaction, and you can earn you can purchase the stock on day 1 and you can sell it on day 5. Then the profit that you can achieve is 5 minus 1, that is 4. Or you can also do the one more thing. You can make 4 transactions. You can purchase it on day 1, sell it on day 2, again purchase it on day 2 and sell it on day 3, and vice versa. So on each transaction you are going to make a profit of 1. So you are doing 4 transactions and you are going to make a profit of 4. And let's go to the example 3. So the input price array is 76431. So in this case, if you look at all these prices, it is continuously decreasing. So which means that no profit can be achieved with this by making any of the transaction. So the best thing you can do is like purchase a stock on a particular day and sell it on the same day. And so the profit that you can achieve is 0. Yeah, let's go to the explanation part of it, like how are we going to solve this. For the purpose of explanation, I want to give a brief description of 2 variables that I am going to use. The first one is total profit. I am going to initialize this one with 0, and this is going to store my profit from all the transactions. And the next one is going to be my start price. And I'm going to store this one with prices of 0. I'm going to initialize this. And this is going to be my start price for all the transactions. Okay. And now let's start the explanation. So I'm going to loop from the prices of 1 to the end of the prices array. So on the day 2, what am I going to do? So let's store the initial total profit, and also total profit initially is 0, and my start price initially it is 7. Okay. So on day 1, the price of the stock is 1. So I'm going to change the start price alone because there is a decrease in the price of the stock. So I cannot make this transaction because that will not result in any profit. So I'm going to just change the start price. So I'm going to update my start price to 1. Now on the day 3, the price of the stock is 5 and my start price is only 1. So if I make this transaction, then I can make a profit. So I can make a profit of 4. And then what am I going to do? Then I'm going to update the start price again, because my start price now is going to be 5. Which means you have sold your stock and also purchased the stock at that day on the date 3. Okay. Then you are going to the next day. So day 4. So you are going to the day 4. So the price of the stock is 3 and your start price is 5. So you are not going to make any profit. So then you are going to change the start price alone, and your start price is going to be 3. Okay, and you are going to the day 5, and the start price and the price of the stock on the day 5 is 6, and your start price is only 3. So you are going to make a profit. So what is the profit? So the profit that you are going to make is 6 minus 3, that is going to be 3. And you are going to update the start price again. Your start price is going to be 6. And you are going to the day 6, the final day. Then since there is a decrease in the price of the stock, you are not going to make any of this transaction. So finally you are going to return total profit, which is 7. Okay, let's go to the example 2. So again, you are going to loop from 1 to length of prices. So your total profit initially is 0, and your start price is 7 again. Okay, you are going to the day 2. Since the price of the stock has decreased, you are not going to make any profit from this transaction. So you are just going to update the start price to 6. Then you are moving on to the next day, day 3. Since the price of the stock has again decreased, you are going to update the start price again. So you are updating this one to 4, and you are not making any profit again here. Then you are moving on to the next day, and the price of the stock is 3, and the start price is 4. You are not going to make any profit from this transaction. So you are going to again update this start price to 3. And the price on the last day, that is the day 5, is 1. And your start price is 1. You are not going to make any profit from this transaction. So what are you going to do? You are going to update the start price to 1 again. So if you look at, you are not making any profit from any of the transaction. You are not going to make any profit. So what are you going to return? You are going to return 0 in this case. So I hope you got an understanding of how to update the start price and also the total profit and add up the total profit. So let's quickly code this up. So it's going to be very easy. Let's start by creating 2 variables, total profit. So total profit, you are going to store the profit from all the transaction, and you are going to initialize this one with 0. And the other is start price. So start price, you are going to initialize with prices of 0. So that is the starting price for all of the transactions. And you are going to loop for the rest of the prices array for I in range of 1 to length of prices. So if prices of I is greater than start price, so in this case you are going to make a profit. So what are you going to do with this profit? So you are going to add up this one to the total profit that you are going to make from these transactions. So total profit plus equal to prices of I minus start price. At the end of this, you have to update your start price to the current price. So start price is equal to my prices of I, because you are going to only make note of the profits that you are going to make and also store that one in the total profit. So at the end of this, you have to return the total profit. So that is the maximum profit from all of the transactions that we are going to make. Yeah, I think we are done. Let's quickly run the code. Okay. Let's quickly submit it as well. Yeah, it is submitted. Hope you liked my explanation. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.